Hello guys, welcome to Creative Dives. Today we will learn how to animate a simple flying bee. For that we will first draw a bee in Illustrator. Take the ellipse tool to draw its body. Now we will make some black lines on the body. Now let's draw the eyes using ellipse tool. Now draw front and back legs. Now draw the antennae. Finally, we will draw the wings. Let's decrease the opacity of the wings and put all the parts in separate layers so that it will be easy to animate it in After Effects. So we will learn how to animate this in After Effects. So let's save it and go to After Effects. Now import the file in After Effects. Double-click the file so that it will be splitted in layers. Take a solid to make the background. Lock the layer now. Now we will animate the position of the body. Ease the keyframes. We will use an expression to repeat the movement. Click on the stopwatch by pressing Alt key. Go to Property and click on Loop Out. Now make the body as parent layer. Adjust the keyframes. Similarly, we will animate the eyes of the bee. Animate the scale property. Unlink the position. Just change the Y value to look it as blinking eyes. Ease the keyframes and apply the same expression. Now for the wings, we will animate the rotation property. Again, the same expression. We will animate the rotation property of antenna, back legs and front legs, and then apply the same expressions to them. Now take the pen tool and draw two lines. Animate the position property of the lines so that it looks like the bee is moving forward. Apply the same expressions to them also. Move the layer so that the lines will not move simultaneously. Now to make a shadow, take the ellipse tool and decrease the opacity. Animate the scale property of it. When the bee is in the upper position, scale it down and leave it as it is when the bee is in the lower position. And now apply the same expression. Don't forget to like and subscribe.